Hello YouTube. How do you go from a completely built up pump into a brand new pump in a few steps, just like the images? Okay, so what you want to do first is take that bracket, remove your sump pump from its location, make sure it's unplugged. Once you remove it from there, and I'm gonna show one close up here, there's going to be something like calcium around the pump. If you have hard water in your region, that's gonna happen very often. This is like that, and it's been probably 2 or 3 years since I cleaned this pump before. So I do it every 2 or 3 years. I think it's enough. As you can see, even scratching with the screwdriver, this stuff does not want to leave, right? It's calcium, it's hard. Put it in a bucket. I like to put in a bucket, and the product I'm going to use is the CLR. I'm using 48 ounces if I'm not mistaken. So pour some water until it covers the entire pump. Then you just pour the product, the CLR. I'm using some weights to keep the floating down. Right there, so I'm pouring the 48 ounces of CLR and leave it there. After about a couple of hours, this will already start reacting with the lime and the calcium around the pump, and the calcium and lime will start to be kind of removed from the pump. So what I want to show in the other picture, this is about 2 or 3 hours that this is already in there. You see the lime, the calcium is already coming loose. It's amazing how this product works. It cleans very, very well. The pump can be malfunctioned if you let this build up keep on going forever. So you want to really look into this pump every 2 years. Right there, I'm using a wood stick and a screwdriver just to kind of remove, right? It's easy to remove now because it has been sitting in this solution, right? You could not do this before. So that's why it's coming off. In the plastic goes way easier. Where you see the stainless steel, it doesn't want to come off. So this next close up here, it's sitting there for about 6 or 8 hours, and it's completely clean. It's amazing. It's a brand new pump. So I'm gonna show you on the next clip, on a very close up, how the pump is clean, and it cleans everywhere the water touches. So now you can see it's shining. All the calcium and lime has been gone. Unfortunately, the pump sticker is also getting kind of damaged over the years, but that's how it is. The floating is okay as well, very clean. You don't want to have build up in that. Once you're done, just put it back and reassemble. As you can see, my pump is location is pretty full of water, so I'm gonna let you guys here. Thanks for watching. I will be posting some more videos on some other tips to maintain sump pumps. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, like, dislike, whatever you want to do. Thank you very much. Bye.